Say cheese.
Lover, don't you want to get down, 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 down? Lover, don't you want to get down, 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 down? Lover, don't you want to get down, 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 down? Lover, don't you want?
전 시차 적응 다 한 줄 알았는데 아니네요. 4시 반에 어제도 그렇고 오늘도 4시 반 정도에 계속 눈이 떠지고 그래서 핸드폰보다 벌써 6시가 됐는데 아직은 또 밖이 너무 어둡습니다. 지금 먹을 거 도시락 살 거예요. 아직 시차 적응을 못해서 좀 일찍 일어나고 있는데 내일은 그래도 조금씩 만약 일찍 일어나면 러닝도 하고 재밌게 지내보려 합니다. 오늘은 헬스장에서 최대한 찍을 수 있으면 헬스장에 좀 담아보겠습니다. 아 마스크 안 들고 와서 다시 갔다 왔어요. 이 커피는 저 호스트인 폴이 타줬는데 아주 블랙하네요. 블랙 먹는데 또 한국인인데 아이스 아메리카노 안 먹을 수 없잖아요. 그래서 아이스도 듬뿍 넣습니다. 에헤이 우후 that place. Say cheese. Yeah, nice Mars. Hey, let's go.
Lover, don't you want to get down, 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 down? Lover, don't you want to get down, 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 down? Lover, don't you want to get down, 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 down? Lover, don't you want to get down, 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 down?
And I can make you wanna say, I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna
No
take
worries.
it. I can make you wanna go, never make it out. You never figure it out.
Is this hard course?
No, it's not that hard. Just make sure you don't go too fast.
Okay.
And you roll it and make sure you use your brakes
Uh-huh.
going down this. The jump is completely rollable, so watch Miles, you'll see where he jumps.
Okay, let's go, Miles.
He goes right there, see where he jumps?
Ah, that's
You
all.
can completely roll that. Yeah, you
Okay.
can completely roll it or just roll over
Okay.
it. Or you can just not. Yeah.
I'll try. Let's go.
And then there's another jump after.
Woo! Oh! I hate it. Okay.
was scared, I couldn't watch.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, beautiful. What? Haha.
They put a new rope on it. I'm going out.
Is this the bicycle rope?
No,
I know.
just for the swing
Ah.
off the rope.
Just
Ooh, man. Miles, can you hold this just for a second? To make. Okay, I'll try. Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay.
say hold on to that knot.
Uh-huh.
And
But
then,
it's a little, you know, I'm heavy, so. Right?
and then hold on.
Oh, I think I just.
yeah,
Can you try it one more time?
So just
Okay, I'll follow you.
there.
Ah, just like that.
I wasn't holding it very well,
Okay.
but
Oh!
And
Oh! Oh, it's nice.
then
I'm too heavy.
Dad, I'll go through with my foot.
Put your other foot on my knee. Put your other foot right here.
I got you. Ready?
Ready,
3, 2,
go.
1.
That's pretty good.
I'll
Yeah,
push
give it a
you.
push.
Just don't push me
Woo.
towards the tree. I'll just stand
Is that
here.
good?
Don't
Awesome.
move the
I
tree,
won't
stop
push
me.
you.
I'll stop. I'm really close to the tree.
You're not.
Don't worry.
You're not. You're long way away. You want to slow you down? Here, can I try? I have gloves on.
Sure. I know, I have gloves on too.
There you go.
Your feet up.
Yeah.
It is
Oh.
kind of proof. Whatever you are.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
Whoa!
It helps to stand up and use both brakes there.
Ah, yeah.
You level your feet, you put your butt back.
See how?
and you
Yeah,
use
like
both-
Miles is sort of.
Bro, see, you know those double roots? I jumped over it.
Yeah.
Hi, is that the new one, the 12?
No, this is my friend Brian's. So this is the 10, GoPro 10, 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah, so the new 12 apparently is amazing.
Yeah. They just keep getting better. We have like an old 3.
Yeah,
It still works.
yeah. No, it's so good.
So this is a very big, popular dog walking area.
That means they know how to educate them.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah.
I heard about America. 3.5, like 3 and 2. I mean, like 60 to 70% of people have the dog in
Right.
America. How about Canada?
Probably similar. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the pandemic, a lot of people got dogs. Yeah.
It is hard to go out. So.
Yeah.
And they have more time. Yeah, we've seen a lot of.
Yeah, not this time of day. The deer are usually, but in the evening, like near sunset.
And also I can see the coyote at here.
Coyotes are usually at night.
At night.
Yeah. But if you come in the early morning or like sunrise or sunset, you can see deer.
Can you see the people
Oh,
here?
there's the turtles.
A turtle?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
more turtle.
On the wood.
Is that a real one or just
Yeah.
a turtle?
Yeah. No, those are
A
real.
real turtle? A real.
Yeah.
No.
No bears. No. You can go. Bears are more north.